In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use board views in Trello. Trello is an incredible tool for managing tasks, projects, and workflows with ease. To get started, you'll first want to navigate over to Trello.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, which should be prominently displayed. Click on that and you'll be taken to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. You have the option to log in using your email, or for a more streamlined experience, you can use your Google account as well. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Trello homepage. From here, navigate to the board section. This is essentially the control center for all your various projects and tasks in Trello. Next, you'll want to focus on the Your Workspaces section. This is a centralized area where all your organized workspaces are stored, making it easy to manage multiple projects at once. Find the board that you want to work with and click on it. You'll now be taken to your board. This is where the magic happens. What you want to do next is open the board drop-down menu. It's usually signified by a small arrow or three dots, which when clicked will reveal a whole new set of options. Here you'll see a few checkboxes next to various views such as table, calendar, and dashboard. These checkboxes allow you to customize how you view the information on your board, tailoring it to your needs. Start by clicking on the table checkbox to add this view to your board. The table view is perfect for when you need a spreadsheet-like display of your cards, providing you with an organized list format that's easy to scan and edit. If you're managing timelines or deadlines, the calendar checkbox is a very useful tool. By adding the calendar view, you get a visual layout of your tasks over time, making it simple to keep track of project timelines and key milestones. The dashboard checkbox, on the other hand, provides a high-level overview of your tasks. It's perfect for when you want to get a quick overview of your project's progress or analyze your workflow. By simply adding this view, you're able to make more informed decisions based on your project's data and trends. Now that you've added these views, let's take a look at how they work. To view the calendar, click on the Calendar tab. This will allow you to see your tasks laid out in a monthly view, making it effortless to see what's coming up next. To switch it up, click on the Dashboard tab for that operational overview we mentioned earlier. And if you're looking to switch to the table view, just click on Table in the drop-down menu. Finally, if you ever need to revert back to the original board view, simply click on the Board option. This process gives you the flexibility to switch between views based on different project needs, ensuring that you always have the most effective layout for your tasks. That wraps up our guide on using board views in Trello. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes managing your projects even easier. Thanks for watching.